sit side by side? Or are you wary at all of this?
Not wary at all. I think it goes hand in hand because the story is what makes up my business and also the food. Without my story, I don't think I would exist at all. Because they are learning more about why I started the food, they're more interested in the cuisine and the culture as well. And that has always been the main goal, is to educate and to bring awareness to Cambodian culture through food. And so, I love it.
A quick reminder, you're listening to The Food Chain on the BBC World Service with me, Emily Thomas. This week, we've been talking about food and opportunity. I'm joined by three business owners: Rizan Al-Sous, a Syrian living in the UK who runs Yorkshire Down the Cheese; Nigel, owner of Cambodian restaurant Myung-Bai in California; and Mandana Moghadam, who runs Persian cookery classes and supper clubs in London. All three of you have very different perspectives and come from very different places, but do you have any worries about the political climate at the moment and how this will affect people coming from those countries as they try to set up businesses? Do you think things are changing? Are they changing for the better? Are they changing for the worse? What's your sense?
Much easier now than when I came in 1984, when I came to UK. But England is very multicultural, so in that sense, well, I never felt as an outsider, really. But now it's the world of cooking and the world of food, and people are interested.
Safe,